Hello all peoples. For today's video, magluto tayo ng chicken fillet with mushrooms and potatoes. So ayan, magpainit na tayo ng mantika. So ilagay na natin ang onions at garlic at isunod na rin natin ang karneng manok at maglagay ng rice wine pampalambot sa karne. At yan, isunod na natin ang mushrooms at ang ating potato. So ayan, okay-okayin lang po at i-mix-mix lang at of course, pag na-mix na, maglagay na rin tayo ng soy sauce, pampalasa at oyster sauce. So ayan, yan ang laging nilalagay ko pampasarap. At of course, so maglagay ng tubig at i-simmer ng 4 to 5 minutes. So hanggang i-check mo lang hanggang malambot na yung patatas. So ayan na po. Malapit nang maluto ang ating stir-fried chicken fillet with mushrooms and potato. And charan! Thanks for watching. Luto na ang ating and of course ang ating Hello all peoples! Nagluto ako ngayon ng mini fan fry sausages and steamed chunk fish. So, ang way ko po ng pagluto ng any sausages, papakuluan ko muna ng tubig hanggang matuyo at lalabas na yung sarili niyang mantika. So, ayan, balik-baliktarin na natin kasi malapit nang maluto. And i-check talaga natin na fully cooked talaga yung sausages natin. So, ayan na. Ready to eat na yan. And of course, ang ating steamed chunk fish with ginger on top. Nilagyan ko na yan ng fish sauce. Bye! Hello peoples! For today's video, magluluto ako ng cauliflower with fried fish roll. So, ayan. Sobrang fresh ng cauliflower. Magpainit ng mantika. Tapos, ilagay yung onions at garlic. I-mix-mix. So, maglagay tayo ng black pepper, asin, at isalin na yung na-blanch na cauliflower. At pati na rin yung ating fish fried roll. So, pampalasa, soy sauce, oyster sauce. So, ayan, mix-mix. At of course, ang ating konting sugar. So, ayan na. Simple and easy. Cauliflower pan fried with fried fish roll. So, ayan. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye. Love, love, love.